How to protect a marble countertop. Protecting your marble countertop isn't a bad idea. It helps prevent stains, scratches, and color absorption, keeping it looking pristine for years. It's a cost-effective way to maintain its beauty without expensive repairs or replacements. If you have a big space like this, proper measurement is key. Make sure to measure everything accurately before starting. Not every film works for marble countertops. Use the link in the description to get the right product for the job. Before applying the film, ensure the surface is super clean. Windex will work just fine. Lightly spray the water on surface before application. This helps with smooth positioning. Also, apply water on top of the vinyl while working. This prevents scratches when you work with a squiggy tool. After application, we recommend using a heat gun to better activate the adhesive, especially along the edges. Avoid bending the vinyl over the edge. It can create bubbles and may fail over time. Keep in mind, this special film isn't cut resistant. Be careful with knives to avoid surface damage. This solution is perfect for protecting your marble from stains and color absorption. Need expert help? Our company offers professional marble cover services in New York and New Jersey. Give us a call and make your expensive marble last longer. By the way, this installation was done at AKAI Sushi in Westfield, New Jersey.